This is going to be a video tutorial on how to block the cookie consent notices in the Brave web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have the Brave web browser opened up now. To block the cookie consent notices, the cookie consent notices are the annoying pop-ups when you go to a website. It'll ask you if you want to accept all cookies. To block those, the first thing you need to do is go up to the 3-bar hamburger menu in the upper right hand corner. Click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the little pane off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Shields. Then in the center pane, you want to go down to the bottom to where it says Content Filtering and click on Content Filtering. Now in the center pane, you want to place your mouse cursor in this little search field up here where it says Filter Lists, and you want to type in cookie. And this should automatically pop up right here for you where it says Easylist Cookie List Filter Obtrusive Cookie Notices. You want to check that box right there. And that's it. You can close your settings. And that's all you need to do. Thanks for watching.